I wanna have a variance based on cost and man hours. I'm gonna go to the gauge visualization, and I wanna have two values, the actual and the planned. This is my actual percentage, right? It's a measurement that I developed based on earned value. I will have it here. What is my target value? It's the planned. So what do I want my target? We have the cumulative planned percentage as per early and late. I'm gonna do it based on the early as a common practice. And I can select the query that I want, cumulative planned cost early. Choose the percentage, which I created as a measure. Drag it to the target value. So that's my actual and that's my target. You can see the colors here as well. So that's how you measure the planned versus actual. I can do the same based on man hours. So I have the actual percentage based on labor units. And I will go to the cumulative planned labor units early, drag the cumulative percentage in the target. I can change the data date. Perfect. It's interactive right with me right now.